Did I wash my hands properly? The stickman stares at his hands. Again. He walks back to the sink, washes them one more time, then again, and again. Not because they're dirty, but because his mind refuses to feel done. Have you ever wondered why some people keep cleaning things repeatedly? Why they check the door lock 5 times, wipe the table again, or wash already clean hands? This isn't always about cleanliness. It's psychology. Sometimes the brain gets trapped in a loop called uncertainty anxiety. Their mind keeps asking, what if it's still dirty? What if something bad happens? What if I missed something? And the scary part? For a few seconds after cleaning, they feel relief. But that relief trains the brain to repeat the behavior again. It becomes a cycle, an invisible prison. Clean, relief, fear, repeat. And most people around them don't understand it. They say, relax, stop overthinking. It's not a big deal. But for that person, it feels very real. Because the problem isn't the dirt. The problem is the fear inside the mind. Sometimes this behavior is linked to stress, sometimes childhood pressure, sometimes a deep need for control in a chaotic life. And sometimes it can even be connected to a psychological condition called obsessive-compulsive disorder, where obsessive thoughts force repetitive actions. But here's what's interesting. People who repeatedly clean things are often not trying to become perfect. They're trying to silence anxiety. They're trying to feel safe. And the mind can become addicted to temporary reassurance. That's why the person may know the hands are already clean, but the brain whispers, wash them one more time, just to be sure. The human mind is strange. Sometimes it creates fear, then creates rituals to escape that fear. And slowly, the ritual becomes stronger than logic. So next time you see someone repeatedly cleaning things, don't just call them crazy or overdramatic. Because you might be watching someone silently fighting a battle inside their own mind. A battle between fear and control.